Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix insufficient video memory to run the game on InZOI. So the first step would be to check the requirements. So on store page you're going to scroll down and you will see here system requirements, minimum and recommended. You want to check if your PC or laptop meets the requirements. If it meets, then it's okay. If not, then the game will probably won't work. Now, another thing to do is update your drivers. So for example, I use NVIDIA app for that. And on NVIDIA app, it's right there, drivers. If you use AMD, you can also use AMD app and just download the latest drivers. You can also do this by going on the browser and searching for NVIDIA latest drivers or AMD or Intel drivers and downloading them manually. Now, another step to try is to increase your virtual memory. So you're going to write down on search run. And on run, you're going to write down sysdm.cpl. Click OK. Now this will open up and they want to go to advanced and performance settings. Then click on advanced. And then you're going to see virtual memory. Click change and uncheck this box. And now you can enter the custom size of initial size and maximum size. Now, for this, you will need a calculator and you will also need to know how many RAMs you have. So you're going to go to system information and you're going to see how much you have. So for example, I have 16 gigabytes. So now you want to multiply your gigabytes by 1024. And for initial size, you're going to multiply it by 1.5. And this is the number you're going to write down, enter it right there, just like so. Now, on the maximum size, you're going to again multiply your gigabytes by 1024 and multiply by 3. So you're just going to go ahead and enter it right there. And that's pretty much it. After that, you're just going to click OK and save it. Now see if the problem was fixed or not. If your problem was not fixed, you want to also open up your task manager and close any background applications which you are not using and uses a lot of memory and CPU. And also you want to disable all overlays like Discord overlay, MSI Afterburner, Riva Turner, and also Steam overlay. Once you've done that and it still doesn't work, the last step I suggest you to do is go to graphics settings. See if on advanced graphics settings, hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is on. If it's on, then you're gonna go ahead, add a desktop app and add exe file of InZOI, and then on GPU preference, you're gonna choose high performance instead of power saving Intel graphics, for example, for me. And after that, the problem should be fixed. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel and I will see you next time.